Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my channel, The Ugly Duckling. Myself, Mrs.Rubina.Hamid, Shikalgar, my school, Anjuman Khairul Islam, Urdu High School, Satara. Today I am with you for my English book 5, and today we will learn the poem Just Now. I am reading this poem. Keep your fingers on words and keep your ears on my pronunciation. And please check the meaning which I have given below. Found a peanut, found a peanut, found a peanut just now. Just now I found a peanut just now. Cracked it open, cracked it open, cracked it open just now. Just now I cracked it open just now. Ate the peanut, ate the peanut, ate the peanut just now. Just now I ate the peanut just now. Got a stomachache, got a stomachache, got a stomachache just now. Got a stomachache, got a stomachache. I got a stomachache just now. Call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor just now. Just now, call the doctor just now. Operation, operation, operation just now. Just now, operation just now. Feeling better, feeling better, feeling better just now. Just now I am feeling better just now. Bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor just now. Just now, bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor just now.
The peanut found the peanut, found the peanut just now. Just now and found the peanut just now. Crack it open, crack it open, crack it open just now. Just now and crack it open just now. Ate the peanut just now. Just now and ate the peanut just now. Got a stomachache just now. Just now and got a stomachache just now. Call the doctor just now. Just now and call the doctor just now. Operation just now. Just now and operation just now. Feeling better just now. Just now and feeling better just now. Bye doctor, bye doctor just now. Just now and bye doctor just.
Thank you Bashir sir for all your support. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.